Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about a debatable topic, which is gambling in sports. So let's begin with the question. Today's question is: we need to critically evaluate whether gambling in sports should be allowed. It means first of all we need to tell about the gambling, what is it, and then what are the acts related to it in India, and what is the benefits and negative impacts of legalization of gambling, and finally the conclusion. Let's see the significance of this question that can be asked in GS paper 2 under the heading of judgments and cases, then government policies and interventions, and that can also asked in GS paper 4 under the ethical issues. Our introduction would be: British era law called the Public Gambling Act 1867, which is Gambling Act in India, is the general law governing gambling in India. Gambling is wagering something of value on an event with an uncertain outcome with the intent of winning something of value in terms of money. Recently, Tamil Nadu has banned gambling, but there is a overwhelming support for the idea on the ground that having failed to control illegal betting, which happens on a large scale. Let's see what are the advantages if we legalize gambling. Banning of gambling will lead to illegal activities and will keep increasing, so we need to legalize it to reduce illegal activities. Banning gambling is also a violation of freedom of choice of the citizen. Then legalizing the activity might help curtailing an important source of black money. Then many influential people like Shakti Kapoor promoting games related to the gambling like Rummy. So it's difficult to completely ban gambling from India. During COVID-19, many people lost their job and there is a highest unemployment in India. It will also bring massive revenue in terms of tax revenue to the state exchequer, which can use for various constructive social schemes. From experiences of countries where gambling is legalized, we can probably say that in addition to revenue generation, it will also help us to increase large scale employment opportunities. Then what are the disadvantages of gambling? There can be no guarantee that legalizing regulated betting will stop flowing of the black money. A large crowd of workers who will invest in a part of their earnings in realizing their dreams would become a ready fodder if the betting is to be legalized. Then companies will host betting apps tempting attract poor peoples to try their luck. Then there are also concerns that gambling is not morally correct in Indian context. Then what are the challenges we can face by the gambling? The existing law was passed before the constitution came into existence, and it was a central legalization. If parliament wishes to legislate on the subject, it will be difficult to do so as the subject of the gambling figures into the state list. As a result, the constitution will have to be amended first. Then we also need necessary infrastructure like police, machinery, prosecutors, etc. will have to be put in the place. Then the problem of online gambling cannot be curbed by the merely amending the Information Technology Act where it finds a mention. Then government are trying to find ways of curbing the menace, so relevant provisions will have to made in the act of if gambling is to be regulated. There will still be the issue of jurisdiction as online gambling goes beyond the India's border. Then ensuring that in online gambling is safe and protects the interest and rights of the player is still a question in front of us. Then what are the impacts? We need to critically examine it, means we need to provide all the information about it. A large gap can create from social life like families and friends. Then a great economic loss can be faced. It leads to health issues like anxiety, tensions and depression, etc. They can also lose their capacity and capability to do work. It may lead joblessness and criminal activities and also cause of suicide due to huge loss. Then so many people lost their sense after became habitual of gambling. Then what is the way forward? What are the steps we need to take? And there is a greater stigma around the seeking help from the gambling than for the illicit drug used in the developed countries where the gambling is legalized. So Supreme Court mandate that law commission to study the possibilities of legalization betting in India. Chairman of the Law Commission invited views and suggestions from all the concerned to arrive at a judicious judicious opinion and make suitable suggestions and recommendations to the government. This report is still awaited. Then awareness campaign should be in place to educate people about the perils of excessive gambling. Minors vulnerable section should be excluded from having access to the gambling facilities, gaming facilities. Then our conclusion would be, we never stop gambling activities by ban it, because ban anything is not the solution of the problem. We need to regulate it and implement the higher taxes. We also need to include gambling in the central list. The main tool to eradicate this from the ground level, we need to educate people, because education is the solution of all problems, but education must be in good field. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.